If you want to speak English more fluently but don't know how to practice every day, this lesson is for you. In this video, you will practice real, natural English step by step, without stress and without complicated grammar. You don't need to memorize anything, just listen, repeat, and enjoy the process. This daily speaking practice will help you think in English, speak with more confidence, and sound more natural over time. Whether you are a beginner or you feel stuck at an intermediate level, these exercises are designed to help you improve naturally. Practice with Luna and make English a part of your daily routine. Today is a normal day, but you decide to do something different for yourself. You wake up, take a deep breath, and tell yourself that today you will practice English, even if it's only for a short time. While you drink your coffee or sit comfortably, you listen to English and allow the language to flow naturally into your mind. At first, some words sound unfamiliar, but you don't stop. You just keep listening and repeating calmly. Little by little, your confidence grows, and English starts to feel less like a challenge and more like a habit. You realize that progress doesn't come from studying harder, but from practicing consistently every day. By the end of this practice, you feel proud because you showed up for yourself and your English. And this simple daily moment becomes the reason why your English improves faster than you expected. In this section, we will focus on simple but complete sentences that help you build a daily English routine. The goal is to relax, listen carefully, and repeat naturally without rushing. These sentences are designed to help your brain get used to English sounds and structure. Every day, I take a few minutes to practice English and improve my communication skills. I don't need to be perfect, I just need to practice a little bit every day. When I listen to English calmly, my pronunciation starts to improve naturally. I am learning to speak English without translating everything in my head. Even if I make mistakes, I continue speaking and learning with confidence. Practicing English daily helps me feel more comfortable with the language. I focus on understanding the general meaning instead of every single word. Little by little, English becomes part of my daily routine and my life. I allow myself to learn at my own pace without feeling pressure or stress. Listening and repeating helps my brain recognize English patterns faster. I am building confidence every time I practice English out loud. Speaking English daily helps me feel more relaxed in real conversations. I trust the process and know that progress comes with consistency. I don't compare myself to others, I focus on my own improvement. Each sentence I practice helps me sound more natural in English. I am training my ears to understand English more easily. Daily practice makes English feel familiar and comfortable. I enjoy the process of learning and improving my English skills. My confidence grows every time I speak English, even for a few minutes. This daily practice is helping me become a better English speaker. In this section, we will work on longer sentences to help your English flow more smoothly. The focus is on continuing to speak without stopping, even if the sentence feels challenging. Stay relaxed and let the rhythm guide you. When I practice English every day, I notice that speaking becomes easier and more natural. I am learning to continue speaking even when I'm not sure about every word I use. Daily practice helps my brain think faster in English without stress. I feel more confident when I focus on communication instead of perfect grammar. Listening and speaking at the same time trains my pronunciation and rhythm. I allow my English to flow naturally without judging myself. The more I practice, the less afraid I feel when speaking English. I am building fluency by using English consistently in my daily routine. I don't stop speaking when I make a mistake, I keep going calmly. Practicing English regularly helps me sound clearer and more confident. I am training my mouth and mind to work together in English. I feel more relaxed when I speak English at my own pace. Every sentence I practice brings me closer to fluency. I am learning to express my ideas clearly in longer sentences. Shadowing helps me understand how English is used naturally. I feel more comfortable listening to English for longer periods of time. Speaking English daily is becoming a natural habit for me. I trust myself more every time I practice speaking. My confidence increases as I continue practicing consistently. This daily practice is helping me speak English more fluently. In this section, we will focus on natural rhythm and longer sentences that sound like real-life English. The goal is to stay calm, keep speaking, and let the language flow naturally. When I speak English calmly and without pressure, my sentences sound clearer and more natural. I am learning to express my thoughts in English without stopping to translate in my head. Daily practice helps me feel more confident and relaxed when I speak English. I focus on the message I want to communicate, not on making every sentence perfect. The more I practice shadowing, the more comfortable my English feels. I can continue speaking even when my sentences become longer and more complex. Speaking English regularly helps my brain respond faster in conversations. I am developing a natural speaking rhythm by practicing every day. I allow myself to make mistakes and keep speaking with confidence. Listening to natural English helps me understand how sentences flow together. I feel more confident expressing my opinions in English. I am learning to speak smoothly without long pauses or fear. English feels more familiar when I use it consistently. I trust my ability to communicate clearly in English. Practicing daily helps me feel prepared for real conversations. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English in different situations. My pronunciation improves as I follow the rhythm of native speakers. I feel proud of my progress every time I complete a practice session. English is slowly becoming part of my daily life. This practice is helping me speak English more naturally and confidently. In this section, we will practice longer sentences that help you maintain fluency for extended periods of time. The focus is on speaking smoothly, staying relaxed, and continuing without hesitation. When I practice English for a longer time, my confidence grows and my fear disappears. I am able to express my thoughts clearly even when the sentences are long. Speaking English daily helps me feel comfortable in real-life situations. I no longer panic when I need to speak English for several minutes. I focus on clarity and calmness instead of worrying about mistakes. Practicing consistently helps me build strong speaking habits. I can maintain a conversation in English without feeling exhausted. I feel more natural speaking English as time goes on. Listening and speaking together improves my fluency and pronunciation. I am learning to organize my ideas while speaking English. Even when I don't know every word, I keep speaking confidently. Daily practice trains my brain to stay in English longer. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English in different contexts. My English sounds smoother when I relax and trust the process. I feel confident expressing my ideas clearly and calmly. Speaking English regularly helps me respond more naturally. I am developing endurance when speaking English. I stay focused and calm during longer speaking sessions. Each practice session helps me improve my fluency. I am proud of my ability to speak English for extended periods of time. In this final section, we will focus on speaking English with ease and confidence. These sentences are designed to help you finish this practice feeling relaxed, proud, and motivated to continue. After practicing for this time, I feel more confident speaking English. I can express my thoughts clearly without feeling stressed or rushed. Speaking English feels more natural when I stay calm and focused. I am proud of myself for completing this daily English practice. I trust my ability to communicate effectively in English. I no longer feel afraid of speaking English for longer periods of time. This daily practice helps me build real and lasting fluency. I can speak English comfortably in everyday situations. I enjoy expressing myself in English more than before. I am learning to speak English without overthinking. My confidence grows every time I practice consistently. I feel relaxed and comfortable using English. Speaking English is becoming a natural part of my daily routine. I trust the process and know that progress takes time. I am building strong speaking habits through daily practice. I can maintain focus and fluency while speaking English. I feel ready to continue practicing English every day. I am improving my fluency step by step. Today, I finish this practice feeling confident and motivated. This daily English practice is helping me become a fluent English speaker. Before we finish, I want to give you a few simple tips to help you make English part of your daily life without stress or pressure. Luna tip number 1: daily practice matters more than talent. You don't need to be naturally good at languages. Consistent daily practice is what truly creates fluency. Luna tip number 2: short and calm practice is powerful. You don't need hours. Even 10 or 30 minutes of relaxed practice can change your English over time. Luna tip number 3: don't chase perfection. Perfect grammar is not the goal. Clear and confident communication is. Luna tip number 4: train your voice, not only your eyes. Listening and reading are helpful, but speaking out loud is what builds real fluency. Luna tip number 5: repetition builds confidence. Repeating sentences helps your brain feel safe and familiar with English. Luna tip number 6: accept mistakes as part of the process. Mistakes mean you're practicing. Silence means you're not learning. Luna tip number 7: think in ideas, not on translations. Focus on the message you want to communicate, not on translating word by word. Luna tip number 8. Relax your body when you speak. Take a breath, relax your shoulders, and let your voice flow naturally. Luna tip number 9. Build a routine you enjoy. Choose a time and place where you feel comfortable practicing every day. And Luna tip number 10. Trust small progress. Fluency grows quietly. One day you'll notice that English feels easier. Great job for practicing today. If you stayed until the end, you already took an important step toward fluency. Remember, English is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent, calm, and confident. Practice a little every day, trust the process, and your English will improve naturally. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more daily English practice. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next episode.